my spooky bays and ghouls. So today we're gonna be filming a strawberry shortcake makeup tutorial, and I've never mentioned this ever on my channel, but I was in love with strawberry shortcake when I was growing up. I liked the dolls, the little movies, or whatever, the little, yeah, I guess they're movies. I begged my mom to buy me my my grandma to buy me a strawberry shortcake, my first one. I saw it at Target, I think, and it came to DVD, and I was like, yo, I have to have this doll. It smells good. And I was like, it comes with DVD. It's like, that's a plus, that's a win-win. So like, yeah, I fell in love with strawberry shortcake. I don't know how long ago. Whew, that was like a long ass time ago. It's definitely like the early 2000s, mid 2000s maybe. But yeah, I thought it'd be cool to do like a revamped like strawberry shortcake look, like, you know, just like all glam and stuff. I have a dress, I have a little beret, and I have a wig, so let's do it. So I already did my base. I did my foundation, my skincare, my foundation, concealer, and powder. So I'm all good to go on that. I wanted to get the video, you know, going. So we did that already. Of course, you can do whatever foundation you want, little, less, more, I don't know. I don't do a lot of foundation, so, but I guess let's dive into the tutorial now. Okay, so first we start off with the eyes, and we're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 4 palette, and we're going to be diving into the shade E1. We're going to be using the shade as a base shade. We're going to be blending it up along the crease right here, and winging it out. I'm just doing like a really simple like winged cut crease. Anyways, I'm going to be doing like a winged kind of cut crease kind of vibe, you know, basically like the basic kind of cut crease there is, you know, whatever. But I feel like that would go good this look, you know, especially for like a glam strawberry shortcake. Okay, so next I'm diving into shade E5. This one's like a really bright pink. I'll be adding it onto the crease and blending out just a bit to blend into the previous color that we had just applied. Okay, so next I'm diving into the shade C5 to deepen up the crease. I'm probably be using a little crease brush. This one is the A14 brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's perfect for creases. Okay, so next I'm cutting my crease using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm just cut the crease along the crease that we had just created. Next I kind of want to do like a smoky wing with the shade E5, apply it and then blend it out. Okay, so next I'm applying the shade E2 onto the negative space of the eye. Okay, so next I think I'm gonna do a combo of E1 and C5 underneath my eye. I'm gonna do it. Ooh, I'm gonna try my brush. I'm gonna do it very lightly. I'm not gonna blend out too much. I just want the under eye to be very light. Okay, so I applied mascara off camera. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Bag Mascara. I didn't want to do that just to get over with. But next I'm doing my brows. I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty Scarlet Eyebrow Pomade, and I'm going to do my brows with this. so next I'm adding some blush. I'll be using the Tokidoki Till Death Do Us Part little eyeshadow palette. This is really gold, but of course use whatever blush you have, whatever shimmering blush. I just like this one because it kind of acts like a highlight too. So yeah, so I'm applying like along my cheekbones and probably like on the side of my face and my nose as well. I'll be adding some freckles on later, so I kind of want like a sun-kissed look. I don't know, I feel like Strawberry Shortcake has like, I mean she has freckles, right? Yeah. So I kind of want to go for that kind of vibe, you know? Okay, so I had to touch my camera for a little bit, but I contoured my face really quickly. I just used the Untitled Cosmetics contour palette as always. I just contoured it here. This is the palette I used. I use it in a lot of my videos, but I just used this shade right here. It's like a light brown shade. Just you contour however you like, whatever contour shade you like, you know? Okay, so next I'm using some freckles. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Marina Volume 4 palette. I'm using this Swish brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think this is the perfect brush for freckles. If not, then you can use like maybe like the end of like a really thin brush. This is too thick of a brush to use. I can't find any thin brushes. Or what else could you use? There's other things you could use, but I can't think of it right now. But for me, it's a little small brush, a little swish brush. But anyway, so we're diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Marina Volume 4 palette, and we're diving into shade B5. And maybe A4 a little bit if I want to go for some more lighter freckles. But basically I'm applying the freckles and then patting them out to kind of like to lighten the color to make them look more realistic. And then also apply, I might just be going back in and adding some more darker ones after I blot them out. Okay, so next time I want to do some like little strawberries on the outer corners of my eyes. So I kind of want to lay down some base. I'm using some paints. I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty brow pomade again. We're gonna be drawing on like the shape of a strawberry. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing that, and then I'm applying some glitter over it. This one I believe is Bloodbath from Black Mage Beauty. Of course, you can use any red cosmetic glitter that you have laying around. You can even use a red lipstick to even draw on the strawberry. I just want to create like a base, that way it doesn't look too translucent, the glitter, because I feel like glitter looks better on top of a color. So yeah. Okay, so next for the leaves, I'm actually be using green eyeshadow instead of like a lipstick. I don't have any green lipsticks here. I do have a paint, but I'm like using that one. Although I don't have a darker green glitter on me. I do have one at home, at my grandparents' house, but this is the only green I have. I mean, luckily I have this, right? But this one is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Halloween glitter collection from last year, and this one is in the shade Salem. I wonder if they're making anything Halloween again this year. I mean, they only released their holiday stuff, but I'd be cool to make any more Halloween stuff. They should totally do that. But anyway, so next I'm also going to be drawing on the leaves with an eyeshadow. I'm using the Alien Cosmetics Pluto palette. And I'm diving into the green eyeshadow. I feel like that's a good one. I feel like it also would help darken up the glitter as well and give some more dimension. So yeah, so I'm going to be drawing on little leaves. Okay, so next I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade American Doll. You can use any red lipstick that you have. Okay, so next I'm using the ColourPop Cosmetics Sailor Moon Tiara lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It smells like fall, honestly. It smells like caramel or... Oh, it smells so good. But yeah, I'm playing with my lips. Okay, so I had some lashes on off camera. These are from Black Mage Beauty in the style Double Wings. These are one of my favorite pairs of lashes, and I accidentally tore the packaging. But it's because it's been traveling with me a lot, so yeah, it was bound to happen anyways. But I do have a discount code to shop. It's down below in the description box. I cannot remember from the top of my head, but it's probably like at least 30 or something like that. But it's definitely down in the description box, so check it out if you guys want to check it. If you guys want to get some beautiful lashes or some glitter. I did use one of the glitters on my strawberry. But yeah, so I'm gonna go change and I'll be back to you guys. Okay, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And I think it came out exactly like how I envisioned it. Planned it out, sketched it. I forgot to mention in the beginning that I did do like a little sketch for it. Put it right here on the screen. I think it's super cute, and actually this is probably like one of the most brightest, cutest Halloween looks I've done. Like normally when I do Halloween videos, it's like scary, dark stuff, you know, stuff like that. But I was like, I should totally do strawberry shortcake for Halloween. Like I got like a little strawberry dress, I have like a little braid, I have a red wig, like perfect, you know, just like Halloween costumes from home, you know, just like stuff I already had, so it's like totally. I mean, of course, if you guys have like stuff like this laying around, or even it doesn't have to be like strawberry dresses, it can just be pink, or you can do like the 2000 strawberry shortcake with a little striped shirt and the jeans, the little, I think she had the hoodie tied on her waist. I like that strawberry shortcake. That's one I grew up with, so I'm gonna put it up here on the screen. The 80s one is super cute. Her little big puffy hat. She looks really cottagecore. I love it. I also like how strawberries are in right now, especially that strawberry dress. Oh, I love that dress so much, but it's so expensive. And I would totally love to own it and have it just a work of art. Maybe if I ever get enough money for it, I'll totally buy it. Also, the glittery strawberries remind me of the strawberry dress because like it has glittery strawberries on it, so perfect. I got inspiration from the dress. So make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content coming up. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys are gonna be for Halloween. Are you gonna try to recreate any of my makeup tutorials or anything else? Just let me know what you guys are gonna be, because I always want to know, because I think I'm gonna be a plague doctor. I haven't ordered a mask. I probably should order it after this video or tomorrow. I always say that. But I need to order it ASAP. So yeah, I'm gonna be a plague doctor because I think it's a fitting time to be a plague doctor right now. So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys are having a safe and wonderful day. Have a happy and safe Halloween. Make sure you wear a mask. Make sure you social distance for Halloween. I swear to God, if I know you guys are going to parties, I'm gonna crawl through the screen and get you. I will. Double mask it if you have to. Wear a Halloween mask over your face mask, you know? Double the protection. It'll get really hot, but who cares? So yeah, so that'll be it for today's video. Bye guys!